Hi, Halstead Mathletes. I'd like to share with you a game called Fraction Compare. You play it just like you play the card game War. You'll need a deck of playing cards. Be sure to remove the jacks, queens, and kings. Aces have a value of 1. You may need paper and pencil too. If you don't have a deck of cards, you can make your own digit cards on scrap paper. Just use the digits 1 through 9. You can play with a partner or just draw so that you have two fractions to compare. Create a fraction by using the greater number as the denominator and the smaller number as the numerator. That way you're always comparing fractions less than 1. If I'm going to compare these fractions, I think about 1/2 and 1/9. A lot of friends think since 9 is greater than 2, 1/9 is the greater fraction, but they're using their whole number thinking and not fraction reasoning. The bigger the number, the more pieces. So if I cut a candy bar into 2 pieces, that means my pieces are larger in size than the candy bar cut into 9 pieces. 1/2 is greater than 1/9, so the person who has 1/2 wins those cards. On our next draw, we get 3/6 and 5/6. Since both of these fractions have the same denominator, I can just think about the numerators. 3 is less than 5, so 3/6 is less than 5/6. The person who had 5/6 is the winner this round. Next, we draw 4/8 and 5/10. Something seems familiar about these fractions. 4 is half of 8, and 5 doubled makes 10. Both of these are equal to each other because both of them are fractions that are equivalent to a half. So here's where we play the game like War. Draw 2 more cards to see who's the winner. This time we draw 9/10 and 3/3. 9 is close to 10, so 9/10 is a fraction close to 1, but 3/3 is equal to 1 since the denominator and the numerator are the same. This person wins the jackpot, all the cards. On our final round, we pick the cards to show the fractions 8/9 and 2/3. Both are just 1 unit fraction away from 1, so I can reason about those sizes, or I can make an equivalent fraction. I can change 2/3 into a fraction that has a denominator of 9, since I know that 9 is a multiple of 3. What fraction equal to 1 do I need to multiply by? That would be 3/3. Since 3/3 times 2/3 is equal to 6/9, I know 6/9 is less than 8/9, so this time the winner is the person with this hand. I hope you'll enjoy playing Fraction Compare. Hope to see you soon.